Okay, so there's lots of ducks here outside our place, see? Lots of them. Oh look, a couple of them are fighting. What the hell? Funny. Then there's that bird again. But look, the ducks are fighting with each other. That's funny. Obviously there's some food there, and one's in the middle of the road. Silly duck. Hey ducky ducky duckies! Quack 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 quack! Okay, so here's some duckies. So yeah, number 5 YouTube. This is amazing. This is the most amount of birds I've seen in ages. Hello birdie birdie birdie. I wish I knew what kind of bird that was, but yeah, like I said, I think it's a rosella. It's like some type of parrot. Oh, it makes a weird noise. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside. So there is the ducky 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 duckies and that weird ass bird. They've stopped fighting for now. They're just eating whatever's in the grass. See? Come home and there's a million ducks. What the hell? Crazy. But anyway, here's duckies. Hey ducky ducky duckies. Quack 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 quack. Quack 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 quack. Oh, look, and there's here's some more duckies coming. Okay. Bye.